Welcome to Nari Saki. Today let's make peanut tomato chutney. It goes well with dosa, idli, uttappam and very easy and tasty too. So I've taken peanuts, roast it on a very low flame, and if you have crushed peanuts also you can use it. And if you want you can peel off the skin or you can keep the skin. Allow it to cool down after roasting. So in the same pan I'm taking some oil, adding cumin seeds, and make sure the gas flame is low because pan is hot. Add red chillies and some ginger. Saute it only for 1 or 2 minutes and allow this to cool down. It smells really good. And now in the same pan we are going to add tomatoes. Make sure tomatoes are ripe. Saute tomatoes very nicely. Add some tamarind. Add some salt also to this so it releases the water. So if tomatoes are not juicy, you can add little bit of water, but after adding salt it should release the water. We don't need too much quantity of water because it's a chutney. So saute it, cover it and cook it only for 2 to 3 minutes until tomatoes are nice and soft and it releases the flavor. So here I have the tomatoes. Make sure there is enough water in that. And if you want, you can add about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now allow everything to cool down. I've put off the gas stove. I'm adding everything in this. And I'm adding a little bit of jaggery to balance the flavor. And my peanuts. And cool it down completely and blend it. You can eat this chutney just like this if you are very particular about intake of oil, but tadka to this really makes a difference. So here goes mustard seeds, red chili and some curry leaves. Add this tadka to the chutney and enjoy the taste. Add salt as per your taste. And I'm going to try this with my daughter and let's see how she likes it.
The chutney is really good. It has a mix of tanginess and spiciness, and it has a bit of sweetness, so it's balanced and it tastes really good.